So you just finished up attending a great academic conference. You've met a lot of people. You did a lot of great networking. How do you keep these relationships going after you get back home? That's what we're talking about in this video. Hey everybody, I'm Leigh from teachingacademia.com, and I'm all about giving you the tools you need to navigate academia to make your best impact. So today you're going to learn, what do you do after an academic conference? You've put in the work, you've done some networking, you've met some great people, you want to keep those connections going, you want to foster them, develop them, take them to the next place, right? After you get home. So what is it that you can do to make that happen? There are a number of things. You don't have to do all of them, but just do a couple of them and it's going to help you tremendously. So the first thing that I recommend is follow up with people in a timely manner. If you said, hey, I'm going to email you when I get back to talk about a particular thing or to share some information with you, or I have questions, I'll email them to you, do it. Do it within the first week after the conference, okay? That's going to show people that you are genuinely interested in them, you were serious about what you said, and you want to be helpful just as much as you want them to help you. All right, continue engaging with relevant people on social media. Now, for this particular suggestion, right, if you were using social media during the conference and you were really developing some relationships with people, keep it going, okay? There's no reason for that train to stop. On the flip side of that, if you met some people in person who maybe were not using social media during the conference, but they are on it, engage with them in social media after the fact. And part of doing that is not just reaching out to them. It's not just saying, hey, what's up? It's not simply tagging them in things that you want them to share with their audience, but it is about sharing their work, their thoughts, their ideas with your academic audience as well. So be mindful of how you interact with people on social media. Make sure that you're giving just as much as you are getting, all right? All right, and then my last suggestion is, you've met a bunch of people at a conference. Some of those you're going to go home and email right away. Maybe some of those you're going to keep engaging with on social media, but maybe some of them, you just met them on the fly. They happen to be at dinner or a social event. But let's say, 1 month, 2 months, 6 months later, you notice something, right? You notice they got a big grant. You notice they won an award. You read their new publication in a journal. Drop them a line. Tell them that you saw their accomplishment and tell them congratulations. Tell them you read that new book or you read that new article. Tell them what it meant to you. Tell them that you're using it in your class. You're putting it in your syllabus now or next semester. They're going to love that. They're going to appreciate that because, again, they want to hear how their work is being used, valued, and shared with others. And doing that is going to help strengthen your academic network. It's going to strengthen those individual connections. All right, so if you like that video, you want to hear more tips, follow me on over, and I'll see you in the next one.